My name is Suvarna Rao, working as the Assistant Professor, Department of Information Technology, IARE. Today my topic is e-commerce and World Wide Web. Already I will explain the World Wide Web. Then additional that, what are the important of the including of the e-commerce and World Wide Web. Today I will explain my topic. So nowadays World Wide Web, one of the important thing from the anyone, the human life. So the W3C, it is one of the important role could play from the any online business, especially e-commerce business. So the World Wide Web is the connecting of the LAN like local area networks, okay, metropolitan area networks, and mm, uh, multi, okay, metropolitan area, LAN, world area networks. So what is the World Wide Web? Today I will discuss what are the important of the e-commerce, how to elaborate the e-commerce and World Wide Web. It is one of the important things from the my topic. Then the World Wide Web we will discuss to the especially so many things also there. My important thing is called the e-commerce and World Wide Web. It is the one of the important things. So already I will explain my introduction part of those things. Then again, deep information also we can forward to the e-commerce and World Wide Web. See, the electronics commerce known as simply e-commerce, nothing but electronic commerce, refers to the buying and selling of the goods and services over the internet. A set of internet also required, other electronic systems also required. It involves the use of the electronics means such as a computer, smartphone, and online platforms to conduct commercial transactions. The e-commerce encompasses a wide range of the activity, including the online shopping. Then we can use the online shopping and electronic payment or online banking and digital marketing and anything, supply chain management, all those things. The World Wide Web is very essential need. Simply, the World Wide Web is connected to a group of local area networks as well as metropolitan and worldwide area networks. So, these LAN, including it is part of the World Wide. The importance of the World Wide is connected to the other places also. Why? Because of interior places. In sea areas and drylands areas, it's connected to the entire globe. Is called the in the sense we can use the worldwide, we can transaction from the online point of view, you can done the business in the online, you can do anywhere in the world. So that is also one of the important things from the worldwide. See, the key components is required from the worldwide web. So many things also there in the worldwide web. It is the online retails compulsory. You can use the worldwide web. The sale of the goods service directly a consumer through the online storefront or platform. In the sense, the internet facility is also required, and the customer and seller also required, along with the manufacturers also required. Then entire coordinating of the some things is called the some internet. Nothing but these internet is connected to the World Wide Web. Why? Because of any e-commerce, electronics commerce business, which depends upon not only one area, not only one part, not only one country, globally with connected with the help of the World Wide. So the World Wide Web is the key points or key components of the electronic commerce. One is the online retail. E-tailing, treated as e-tailing in the sense the sale of the goods and services directly to consumer through online stores from the platforms. And second point is going to the electronic payment. Then we can pay the electronic, some internet also required. Having internet also required. Internet in the sense it is a set of components, nothing but connected to the one to other with the help of the some connections either logically or physically is called the online connections also, logical connections also required here. The electronic payment system, you can send the information, you can receive the information, and meanwhile, going on some transactions also there. The method, it is very easy. Once upon a time, we can transfer to the amount is the physically man to man, person to person, or carrying or whatever it may be. You can exchange the goods or material or cash, whatever. Nowadays, the e-commerce worldwide where we can introduce the market, then paying very easy and very securely or transparently or robustly. Why? Because of the electronic payment systems, the users of the electronic payment method, such as a credit card and digital wallet and online banking, are all facilities of the finance transactions we can use electronic payment system. So, the World Wide Web, we can pay the amount in the globally very easy through digital amount because of only requirement things is called the asset of internet and a servers and client systems also required. You can connect it one to another. This type of technique is called the internet connections. Okay. Then the electronic payment systems through any way, nothing but a entire physical cash should convert into the digital cash. Digital cash nowadays we can use the so many things also there. We can the debit card payment methods also there, credit card payments are digital, so many digital like Amazon digital or GPay digital or Phone Pay digital or Paytm. So many platforms also there. With the help of those wallet, you can transfer to your needed amount is transferred one to others. It is the very why because of the that is also one of the facilitated financial transactions with the help of the electronic payment. This is also we can use the World Wide Web with the help of the e-commerce. Payment is very easy and authenticated and secure manner to pay from the amount through only digital amount, digital currency only. Digital in the sense, physical currency could convert into the banks or other officials convert into the digital format. Automatically, the based on the value, how much amount is transferred. Some protocols also there. Based on the protocols, you can transfer to the amount in directly any business transactions. Another important thing is called digital marketing. And before on that, the online marketplace, nothing but it is the one of the important thing from the World Wide Web through e-commerce, a platform that connected buyers and sellers, allowing for wide range of the products and services to be bought and sold. So the online marketplace, online ticket, nothing but inbuilt, including of the World Wide Web. Another one is the digital marketing. Digital marketing, nothing but we can marketing the anything either visualization or video or voice or audio or games, whatever it may be, with help of the some World Wide Web also required. Nothing but a e-commerce and World Wide Web. It is the one of the important tasks from the here. The use of the digital channels such as social medias, okay, search engines and emails are promote and advertise product or services. Advertisement point of view, the e-commerce digital marketing, it is the one of the important thing from the here. And another key point is the supply chain management. It is the supply chain management and the integrating or integration of the electronic system to manage the productions or distributions and delivery of a goods and services efficiently. So that is also one of the important tasks. Then going to the another important subheading is called electronics data interchange. It is the one of the key aspects or key component of the electronic commerce, including the World Wide Web. We can use this one with the exchange of the business documents, whatever it may be, and information between companies in a standardized electronics format. So that is also one of the important thing from the e-commerce and World Wide Web. See, the key components can be broadly classified into these things. One is the online retail or e-retailing or electronic payment or online marketing places or digital marketing in supply chain management, and finally electronic data interchange EDA. Those components very useful in the World Wide Web. Then you can do the business in the e-commerce. These key components, it is the you can check before, and based on these components, we can do the performance easily, very easy and effective. So The e-commerce has a significantly transferred any the way of business operated, and consumer shops are offering convenience and accessibility and global reach. It has lead to the emerging of the new business models and the opportunity forecasting in the innovation and completion of the various documents in the e-commerce worldwide. So it is the one of the framework. Then any worldwide framework, e-commerce framework. One is the public policy, legal and privacy issues, and the technical standards for the electronics documents and multimedia networks. So these two, the transactions is the going on the other end. The issues will be erased. Public policies are legal and privacy issues also one side. Then any problem will be there, we can solve it, or we can use some set of protocols. Based on the protocols, we implement the with them. Those scenarios is detailed in the worldwide wheels called the one of the electronic payment framework or electronic commerce framework. So the e-commerce you can use this framework in the World Wide Web as the e-commerce framework refers to the structures and systematic approach of the tools that facilitate the development and management of the electronic commerce applications and website. It provides a foundation of the building online platform that enable business to conduct a transaction, manages the product, processes payment, and interact with the customers. E-commerce framework typically including a variety of the components and functionalities to streamline the development process and ensure the effectiveness of the online business. So here some key aspect of the electronic commerce framework. So many things also there. Here the World Wide Web we can use the electronic frameworks. Also one of the important thing from the e-commerce business one is the user interfaces and product manager and shopping cart and order management and payment gateway integration. What is the user interfaces? The using of the World Wide Web, the e-commerce user interface nothing but it is the UI. The framework is including tools or design and implementation user interfaces, ensuring visually appealing and user-friendly experience of the customer. And the product management also one of the important thing in the World Wide Web in the e-commerce. This component helps business organization and deploy their product and services, including features for the adding, uploading, and the categorizing system. And shopping cart, an essential part of the e-commerce platform. In the World Wide Web, shopping cart also one of the essential things. The shopping cart allows user to add product and reviews their selections and proceeded to the checkout. Order management is the one of the important things. This modules manage the entire order life cycle from the placement of an order to its fulfillment, tracking, and customer communication. And payment gateway Payment gateway integration is the e-commerce framework integrate with payment gateway to facilitate and ensure the efficient online transactions. This including support for the various payment methods like credit card and digital wallets and other payment systems. So the World Wide Web e-commerce using that is also one of the key points from the required in the e-commerce business. One is the user interfaces and product management, and third one is the shopping cart and order management. Also one of the essential things. The payment gateway integration also is required. And continuation of the e-commerce and World Wide Web, another having some security features and search engines also required. It is the security features, nothing but we can use the give the sensitivity of the personal and financial information in the e-commerce transaction framework, including security measures such as the encryption, secure circuit layer SSL, and secure payment processing. Nothing but you can use the encryption of the data, decryption of the data also required. Nothing but you should convert with the plain text to ciphertext and ciphertext to plain text with the help of the some key. Nowadays we can use the encryption secure circuit layer SSL. It is the one of the important thing in the security aspect. And connecting management system CMS nothing but allows business managers and update connecting their e-commerce website, including product descriptions, images, and promotional content. So the search engine is the Optimization SEO is the e-commerce framework often including features to optimize the website of the search engines, improving the visibility and tracking more potential in the customer. And finally, two things also there. One is the analytics and reporting tool for the tracking of the analysis, uses behavior, sales data, and other metrics helps business make informed to decision and optimize their online performance. And finally, the integration capability is also one of the important things in the e-commerce and World Wide Web. The ability of the integration with their system, such as the inventory management, customer relationship management (CRM), and shipping services, enhance the overall efficiency of the e-commerce platform. So, those things also essential need and requirement from the e-commerce businesses. Now, the architectural framework used in the e-commerce business refers to the structures and components that enable the facing of the online commercial activities, involve the various layers and modules that work together to facilitate exchange goods and services information overall uh, over electronic networks. Here is a high-level overview of the architectural framework of the e-commerce. So, these things also one of the important things from the e-commerce and World Wide Web. And the World Wide Web using some user interface, some layers also. It is the protection layers is required from the World Wide Web. One is the user interface layer and presentation layer and application layer. These layers nothing but very essential. Why? Because of these, using these layers you can utilize from moreover these layers is the one of the security aspects from the e-commerce and world. One is the user interfaces layer, the front end and component of the internet, with including the website, mobile app, and other interfaces, user experiences. Example, design elements and features that enhance the overall user experience. And presentation layer, content management systems is managed the organized in digital component, product information and multimedia elements, and product where like display the information about the product, categories and promotions. So the application, the importance of the application layer is the shopping cart. It is the one of the important thing. Here, the menus use the elected items, calculated total, and facilitate the checkout process. The checkout systems, including another important thing in application layer, handles the payment processing over the verification and confirmation. So, the user account management is the another important thing is called application layer. Manages user profile and performance and order uh, history of those things. The continuation of the World Wide Web in the e-commerce business, one is the business logic layer and data layers also. One of the business logic layer mathematics, we can include some things. One is the order processing is the one of the important, and payment gateway integration is the another important thing. Also the business layer, and third one is the promotion discounts is the one of them, and finally security and authentication. Entire those things nothing but business logic layer. Business logic layers is including of the order processing, payment gateway integration. It is the promotional documents and security and authentication is also important. We can use those things nothing but a very important essential thing in the e-commerce and worldwide. And another important layer is called the data layer. The data layer depends upon the store of the data in the previous or historical and present perspectives. Nothing but a store from the information is called the data layer. Here, database management systems (DBMS) stores and manages the data related to the product and order, user, and transactions. All those things. You can use the one of the technical T is called the data warehouse. Storing of the data is the permanently or accurate data you can store in the data warehouse. Data warehouse nothing but a it is the repository of the data from the database is called the data warehouse. Aggregate and analyze and data from the business intelligence and reporting purposes. So the caching systems is one of the important thing in the data layer. The optimized performance, storing frequently access data in the memory. That is also in cache memory. You can store the data, fetch the instruction and execute the instruction is called the caching. The optimize the performance by the storing of the frequency as access the data in the memory. So the data layer also one of the important things from the e-commerce business in the world. and integration layer, infrastructure layer, and security layer. These three layers also one of the important crucial thing. One is the integration layer. The third party integrations are incorporated external services such as a payment gateway, shopping, and career and social media platforms. And the API applications is the one of the important thing. Application programming interface enable the communication between the different components of the systems. Then going to the another important subheading is called the infrastructure layer. These layers are also very useful in the e-commerce and the worldwide web. Servers and hosting, physical or cloud-based servers that host the e-commerce applications. And the content delivery networks, CDN, distribute content and optimize pages loading the times. Scalability and loading balancing ensure the systems can handle varying level of the traffic. So the secure layer SSL and TLS encryption security and data transmission over the networks firewalls and infrastructure intrusion detection systems IDS protect the against unauthorized access and the cyber threat. So the data integrity compliances is the second the one of the important key point in the security layers. There is two regulations such as the GDPR for the protection of the user data. So the feedback and analysis also one of the important thing from the e-commerce and World Wide Web. The e-commerce and World Wide Web is the feedback and analysis and regulatory and compliance layers. These two things also very important. The architectural framework it means the World Wide Web provide a holistic view of the component and a layer of the inconvenience in the building of the robust and financial e-commerce platform depending upon the specific requirement and scale of the business. Additional that features and optimizations may be incorporated into each level. So these are the my references from the e-commerce and World Wide Web. One of the best book is the Ravi Kolkata, Winston Andrews B. For entries of the electronics commerce and the tuition and first education. And references books is the one is the David Whiteley e-commerce strategy and technological and applications. One of the best book is references book is the introducing of the Tata Mobility second edition in 2000. Third one is the Kamlesh K. Mazars, e-commerce like cutting edge of the business data MC Gresham, first edition 2000, and J. Christopher Westland and Theodore H. K. Clark in the Global Electronics Commerce Theory of Case Studies and University Press, first edition introducing of the year 1900. Different types of the web references also there. www engr.sjsu.edu.gaojerry and different types of the link also there. These three links also very useful in the further corresponding of the studies. Further, I extract good information there available on the e-commerce business. So the e-commerce framework we can use one of the most important things for the World Wide Web. The architectural framework provided the holistic view of the component and layer involving the banking and robust and financial e-commerce platform. So, the depending on the specific requirement of the scale of the business, additional features and optimization will be incorporated into each layer. So, this is the my references already explained. So, this is the today my topic. It is the extension of the World Wide Web. You can use this data. I will explain. Name of the topic: e-commerce through World Wide Web. E-commerce and World Wide Web. So that is also one of the important things from the e-commerce trends. You can choose this video. It is very helpful for the BBA and MBA and CSC or IT students. It is a very useful in the this subject, especially this career. So, thank you so much. This is the end of the session. Thank you.
Like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.